Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then select the text edit, select an emoji, select another shape, size the shape, change the color, adjust the shape, duplicate the shape. Then select the another shape, adjust the shape, save the shape, change the color of shape, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.